Hello everyone, today we will discuss RH blood types and genetic control of RH system. Genetic control of RH system. First one, RH blood types. First one, RH blood types. So these RH blood types means, so the RH factor. The first time, so the RH factor is identified the rhesus monkey. First time the RH factor is identified the RBC of the rhesus monkey. The scientist Carl Landsteiner and Alexander S. Wiener. So in this scientist first time identify the rhesus factor. Rhesus factor means RH factor. So the identify the rhesus monkey. So the presence of the RH factor, that blood group is called as positive. RH factor is present on the RBC, so the blood group is called as positive. So the RH factor is absent, that blood group is called as RH negative. So today we will discuss blood testing. So the blood testing, how to blood testing. First, one test kit, blood test kit available in medical shops. So the kit contain 3 bottles. Anti-serum A, antibodies A. Next one, antibodies, anti-serum 3 bottles. The test kit, 3 bottles. 3 bottles. Anti-serum A, anti-serum B, anti-serum B. Next one, anti-serum C. Anti-serum A, anti-serum B and anti-serum C. Next, glass slide taken from the one glass slide. So they are the one glass slide. So in this glass slide, so they are taken from the person's blood. Identify the patient. For example, one patient blood test either A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, or O blood group are positive and negative. So that person's blood taken from the 3 drops of the blood. So taken from the 3 drops of the blood. So taken from the 3 drops of the blood. So they are the mark A, B and D. So they are the D. So they are taken from the marks A, B and D. So in the A blood sample, so they are adding with the anti-serum A. For example, so they are the red color anti-serum A. Next one, they are adding with B sample. So they are the anti-serum B, adding the anti-serum B. 1 drop, only 1 drop. Next one, D sample. So they are the anti-D, adding with the sample D. So the first step in the test kit, they contain 3 bottles A, B and D. So take a slide. In the slide, in the 3 drops, the test person blood test person, that taken from the 3 drops blood means sample. So they are the A, B, D. So the A sample, so the A sample, so mixing with the anti-serum A, B sample mixing with the sample B and D adding with the D. After few minutes, after few minutes A, B and D. A, B and D. So the after few minutes clumping only A. They are clumping. They are formation of the clumping. So they are clumping only in the A sample. Clumping formation only A sample. Clumping only A sample. So that person's blood group is called as only A. Blood group is A. Next one D function. D function. D sample. They are clumping formation. They are positive. There is no clumping formation. The negative. So the D sample. The D serum sample. So their clumping is formation. That person's blood group is called as positive. There is no clumping of the D sample. So they are called as negative. First of all, so these are the clumping, the formation of the D sample. Clumping formation of the D sample. So the A is clumping formation and D clumping is formation. D function mainly positive or negative. So the A and T is clumping formation. So that blood group, person blood group is called as A positive. A positive blood group. Blood group. A positive blood group. Next one. A, B and D. So the A, B, D. So in this person only A sample is clumping formation. Only A sample clumping is formation. Only A sample clumping is formation. That person's blood group D, there is no formation. So that blood group person, that person blood group A negative blood group. A negative blood group. Next one. A, B, D. A, B and D. So the clumping, the formation of sample B. Clumping formation of sample D. Clumping only formation of sample B and clumping formation of sample D. Clumping formation of sample D. So that person's blood group B positive blood group. B positive blood group. So the clumping formation of B and D. So they are called as B positive blood group. Next one. So the sample A, sample B and sample D. A, B and D. So the clumping formation only B. Clumping formation only B sample. Clumping formation only B sample. So that person's blood group is called as B negative blood group. B negative blood group. B negative blood group. Next one. Sample A, sample B and sample D. A, B, D. So the clumping formation only in D sample. There is no formation of A, there is no clumping formation on the B, only clumping formation on the D sample. Clumping formation on the D sample. So that there is no A formation, there is no B formation. So the blood group is called as O blood group. So D is clumping formation. So this blood group is called as O positive blood group. O positive blood group. O positive blood group. Next one. Next one. So A, there is no clumping formation. B, there is no clumping formation. D, there is no clumping formation. So in these three samples, there is no clumping formation. So that type of person blood group is called as O negative blood group, O negative blood group, O negative blood group. So these are the blood testing process on the using the anti-serum test kit, anti-serum test kit. So first of all, blood groups: A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group and O blood group. 4 types of the blood groups present in the population, human population. So the A blood group means the clumping formation only A blood group. So B blood group means only clumping formation of only B sample. Next one, O blood group means clumping formation only, there is no clumping formation. A no clumping formation, B there is no clumping formation. So they are called as O blood group. Next one, so the blood group either positive or negative depend on the anti-RH factors. Positive or negative, blood group positive or negative depend on the RH factor. So the blood group person RH factor present on the RBC, that person blood group is called as positive. So the RH factor is absent on the red blood cell, that person blood group is called as RH negative. So the RH positive and RH negative. First of all, first AB positive blood group persons, so the antigen A is present and RH factor is present. Antigens A present on the RBC and RH factor is present on the RBC. So the blood group is called as RH positive blood group. Next one, A negative blood group person, A negative blood group person only RH factor, the only antigen presence on the RBC, so the RH factors are the absent. So there is no RH factors, so there is no clumping formation. So the blood group is called as A negative blood group. The blood group is called as A negative blood group. Next one, so the B positive blood group. In the B positive blood group persons, the red blood cells contain a antigens B present on the RBC, antigens B present on the RBC and the clumping formation on the D sample. So RH factor is present. So the RH factor is present, the B is clumping formation. So they are called as B positive blood group. Next one, so the B negative blood group persons only antigens present on the RBC, antigen B present on the RBC, but there is no RH factors. So they are called as B negative blood group, B negative blood group. Next one, so the O positive blood group. O positive blood group means, so the antigen A is absent, antigen B is absent. So the antigen A, antigen B, 2 antigens are the absent. That person's blood group is called as O blood group. And RH factor is present. So they are called as O positive blood group, O positive blood group. Next one, so there is no antigen formation. Antigen A is absent, antigen B is absent. And RH factor also absent, RH factor also absent. So that person's blood group is called as O negative blood group, O negative blood group. So they are called as RH blood types. So the majorly RH factor main function. So the RH factor is present, blood group is positive. RH factor is absent, blood group is negative. So they are the RH blood types. Next one, genetic control of RH system. Next one, genetic control of RH system. Genetic control of RH system. Genetic control of RH system. So in this 2 techniques, one is the Fisher and Race hypothesis. Fisher and Race hypothesis. Fisher and Race hypothesis. First one, Fisher and Race hypothesis. Next one, second one hypothesis, Wiener hypothesis. Next one, Wiener hypothesis. Wiener hypothesis. Next one, Wiener hypothesis. Wiener hypothesis. Next one, Wiener hypothesis. In this 2 hypotheses, so genetic control of RH, discover the genetic control of RH system. First one, Fisher and Race hypothesis. Fisher and Race hypothesis. So in this Fisher and race hypothesis, so they are proposed by the RH control of the genetic systems, RH control of the genetic system. For example, so the single gene contain a 2 alleles, single gene contain a 2 alleles are 2 forms, single gene contain a 2 forms or 2 variations is called as alleles. Single gene contain 2 alleles. So the ABO blood group, these alleles contain a chromosome number 9, chromosome number 9. So this chromosome gene name is called as I. So in this genetic control of RH system, so these RH factors, so these are present in the chromosome number 1 based on the Fisher and race hypothesis. Based on the Fisher and race hypothesis, the chromosome number 1. Chromosome 1 contain RH factor alleles. RH factor alleles contain a chromosome number 1. The chromosome number 1, they contain a RH factor alleles. So the RH factor alleles are the 3 alleles contain a each homologous chromosome. Each homologous chromosome, they contain a 3 alleles. So they are the C, D, E. So they are the CDE. So their technique is CDE hypothesis. So they are the CDE nomenclature. So they are the 3 alleles. The names are the CDE. The chromosome number 1, they contain a 3 alleles. So the alleles name is 1 allele C, 1 allele D, 1 allele E. For example, so these are the 1 chromosome, chromosome number 1. So they are the same chromosome number 1. So totally 1 pair of the chromosomes, totally 23 pairs, means first pair of the chromosome contain a RH factor alleles. First pair of chromosome contain a RH factor alleles. So they are the first chromosome. So they are the factor allele D or D. So they are the same chromosome D or D. They contain D or D. Next one, another allele E or E. Same the chromosome E or E. Next one the same, C. C or C. C or C. Next one D or D. D or D. Next allele E or E. Next allele E or E. So totally 3 alleles. So they are the first pair of the chromosomes. First pair of the chromosome means first chromosome and first chromosome. Totally 23 pairs means first pair of the chromosomes, they contain RH factor alleles. The alleles are the 3 types of the alleles. So they are the C, D and E. C, D, E and alleles. They contain a C, D, E alleles on the chromosome number 1. So they are the genotypically. So they are the genotypically different types of the genotypes presenting on the RH factors. For example, C, D, E or C, D, E. So they are the one genotype. Next one, C, D, E or C, D, E. So they are the one type of the genotype. Next another type, C, D, E or C, D, E. So they are the one genotype. Next one, so they are the another one genotype. So they are the another one genotype, C, D, E, C, D, E or C, D, E. So they are the etc. So they are the different types of the genotypes. They contain a different types of the genotypes. So there is one genotype. So there are another type of genotype. So they are the one type of the genotype. So they are the another type of the genotypes. So they are the scientist Fisher and Race. Scientist Fisher and Race hypothesis. So the according to the Fisher and Race hypothesis, they contain a dominant D. They contain dominant D. Dominant D is present. The antigen dominant D is present. That blood group is called as Rh positive. That blood group is called as Rh positive. Dominant D is present. That blood group is called as Rh positive. Next one, 2 recessive D. Recessive 2 small D's. Recessive 2 small D's contain. So this blood group is called as Rh negative. Rh negative. So the dominant D is presenting, that blood group is called as positive blood group. So the recessive D is present, that blood group is called as negative blood group. For example, so in this blood group, this person's blood group, so they are called as Rh positive because of dominant D is presenting. So they are called as Rh positive. Next one, so in this blood group is also called as, they contain dominant D. So they are called as Rh positive. Next one, so in these persons, they contain 2 recessive DNA, 2 recessive Ds. So they are called as 1D and 2Ds. So they are called as Rh negative blood group. Rh negative blood group. Next one, so in these persons, so they contain a dominant D. So they are called as Rh positive. Rh positive. So understand. So the Fisher and Race hypothesis. So according to the Fisher and Race, they contain dominant D is presenting. That person's blood group is called as Rh positive. So the 2 recessive D is presenting. So that person's blood group is called as negative blood group. So they are the Fisher and Race hypothesis. Fisher and Race hypothesis. Next one, so Wiener hypothesis. Next one, Wiener hypothesis. Next one, Wiener hypothesis. So the Wiener hypothesis, based on the Wiener hypothesis. So the Wiener hypothesis is discovered. So the Rh factor chromosome contain 8 alleles. Rh factor chromosome contain 8 alleles. So these alleles R1, R2, RO, RZ. R1, R2, RO and RZ. Next one, R1, R2 and RY. So they are the totally 8 alleles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are totally 8 alleles. Rh factor alleles contain 8 alleles. So in this dominant, they contain a dominant R's, dominant alleles like R1, R2, RO and RZ. So in this person blood group is called as Rh positive. That blood group is called as Rh positive. So the dominant R is presenting, that person blood group is called as Rh positive. Next one, so they contain a RR means R1, R2 and RY. So this type of blood group is called as Rh negative. So they are recessive R. They contain recessive R presenting, that blood group is called as a negative blood group. Recessive R is presenting, that blood group is called as Rh negative. The dominant R is presenting, that blood group is called as positive blood group. So they are the Wiener hypothesis. So they are the Rh blood types and genetic control of Rh system. So this Wiener and hypothesis according to the Wiener hypothesis, the single chromosome containing 8 alleles. So these 8 alleles, so they are the 8 alleles. So their dominant allele is presenting, that blood group is called as positive blood group. Next one, the recessive alleles is presenting, that blood group is called as negative blood groups. Next class we will discuss erythroblastosis, pitolysis.